This is the Woodford 50H brass double check auto draining vacuum breaker. This does fit the model 70 and 80 Woodford faucets. So we'll get it out and take a closer look at it here. As you'll see, it can come with a set screw here. Just thread it in and out just like that, as well as that rubber gasket in there as well, and this black plastic body down here as well. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of the vacuum breaker. So we'll get a total length, and that measures right at about 2.5 inches. Start here at the top and get a total outside and inner diameter. Now, one thing about the top side here with the set screw is it does have those internal female threads. So we'll go ahead and get a measurement there of the outer diameter. So it measures right at about 1.5 inches, just shy of 1.5 inches. Then an inner diameter of right about 1 inch. And we can also measure the outer and inner diameter here of this black plastic body. Start with the outer diameter, get that measurement right below 1 inch as well. Then that inner diameter measuring right at 3/4 of an inch. So once again, this is the Woodford 50H brass vacuum breaker.